Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to change Spectrum TV language from Spanish to English app slash box settings fix. First, change the language inside Spectrum TV app. Open the Spectrum TV app, inside it go to settings, then tap on account. Now look for language or audio and language settings. From there, select English and save the changes. If you are using Zumo Box, very important. First, go to Settings and in it open System Management. Then select Region and Language. From there, tap System Language and choose English. Now restart the box. Third, if only channels are in Spanish, tap Issue. While watching a channel, press OK/Up button. From there, go to Audio Settings and select Primary Language. Then tap on English. Now turn off Tap Secondary Audio Programming. If it still stays in Spanish, restart the Zumo box, unplug for 30 seconds, and check TV language settings fixed to English. Then press Home/Menu button on your remote and go to Settings. Now look for one of these menus, depending on your device: System, Device Preference, General, or Language and Region. In it, select Language Settings. From there, choose English US or English UK. Then press OK, select Save. Some TVs apply changes automatically. Then reopen Spectrum app. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.